Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the tree bark and Windrose. First of all, you'll need to find the foothills biome. This can be done by killing the local threat, Thomas Richards, in the coastal jungle biome. This is going to unlock the exploration of foothills, and once you've done that, go ahead and find an island. The foothills biome islands are really big, so you shouldn't miss them. And once you've done that, look around the island and find these kinds of small forests with some big trees in it. These are DVDV trees, which when you mine them, you'll get some hard wood and tree bark. Also, to mine these trees, you'll need to have the iron axe. And as you can see, I got 7 tree barks from one tree. So this is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.